MB युनायटेड स्पोर्ट्स अँड कल्चरल क्लब ऑफ मुरिदा कुंकळेची ऑल गोवा नॉन रँकिंग टेबल टेनिस सर्त जाली। दक्षिण गोय टेबल टेनिस काउन्सिल आणि टेबल टेनिस फाउंडेशन फातोड्डा हांच्या जोड पालवान ही घडोवन हाडली। ही टेबल टेनिस सर्त आयतारा फातोड्डेच्या SAG इंडोर स्टेडियमात जाली। अंडर 11, 13 आणि 15 अशा चले आणि चलयांच्या गटात ही सर्त बरीच रंगली। जैतिवंताक सर्टिफिकेटी आणि ट्रॉफी भेटयल्यो। भुरग्यांनी व्हडा संख्येन हातून वांटो घेतलो। पळयात।
I would like to congratulate MB United Sports and Cultural Club, the President, the Secretary, my good friend Oscar Morales, and all the committee members for having organized this tournament. I think if table tennis is to develop in Goa, it should be going to all the villages, and it was a great initiative taken by MB United Sports and Cultural. I hope this becomes a yearly affair, and you are graduated to organize all the major ranking tournament in due course of time. Table tennis, if it has to improve, it has to go to all corners of country. At the moment, it's concentrated in the main cities of Panjim, Nagara, Marsa. It's a beautiful game. Sadly, there is no money involved like cricket or football. It is supposed to be one of the most popular games in the world. In fact, the ITTF, the International Table Tennis Federation, has got 226 members, member countries in the world. So it's a very popular game.
Come from all over the world, and the parents for making this tournament a great success. Without your participation, it would have never been such a big success. Thank you, all the parents and all the participants. And last and not the least, I thank my president and all the club members who have come here and stayed full day. And because of you, this tournament was a great success. And like Chris has said, this tournament will be an annual event. And from next year, every year it will be in Kukolin.
Regarding city game, I don't agree. It is not city game. City like Praga, people like the animal doesn't have talent, but that talent does not come out. And the city Yopa line is expensive. Yopa line, Yopa line, coaching is expensive. So, मुझे कशी आता ते टूर्नामेंट आणून गेला फर्स्ट इयर इट्स ओके नेक्स्ट इयर इट शुड बी इन कुंभोली व्हॉटएवर हेल्प यू वांट अकॅडमी अँड टेबल टेनिस असोसिएशन विल गिव टेबल एंड ते सगळे वी कॅन प्रोवाइड दैट ओनली हॉल एंड स्पेस लाइक दैट ईच तालुका टूर्नामेंट जाता।
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तोयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।